helped me because after the last season we had like 1 month break, and then we called up for this kind of training session in Kochi. So it was like helping us to not to get a long period of break during that off-season time, just to keep us in the shape and just to make us fitness and everything regarding gym and the individual things that we were training over there. So it was helpful. So it was kind of things which we should do in off season, like, so it was helpful. Yes, to be in the gym is also really important as a footballer, because during this tough time of the season where you have back-to-back matches and few hard training sessions, so your muscle need a lot of strength to cope up with it. So absolutely, the gym sessions not only just for the legs, for your upper body, for your abdomen muscles. So it is helpful to prevent injuries and to get that strength to give your best out there in the field. Yeah, absolutely, because games are more important. As you'll see that the games are the things which will improve you much faster, and which will give you much experience in terms of anything you train. So it is helping me in many ways, and I'm delighted for it that I'm getting minutes not just in the ISL but also as well in the pre-season. I get a good amount of playing time, which has helped me to come over a few things, like which helped me to improve in a certain ways. So it is really helpful for me, and it has pushed me as well to keep working more harder towards it. Yeah, absolutely. Coaching staff and coach has since we've been now from almost 5 months, and it has helped me, and I have seen the certain improvements in myself. It has helped me to improve the basic details which can make a big difference during a game, at how important are those details, and I think that has added up a lot to me, the coaching staff, and especially for the coach. Absolutely, everyone is more pumped up and more positive about this undefeated run, and this have given us a much more responsibility for us and much more push. So now we have to keep up that responsibility and have to just stick to our plan and whatever we are doing, and just have to keep working towards it, and just we have to work over it, and that's it. Everyone is, and individually to call about myself, I'm also much positive to be part of this thing, the unbeaten run, because we have worked hard since almost August, and I think that long pre-season is helping us now in many ways.